Unveiling the Silver Lining, the power of a blessing in disguise. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even in our daily lives. The phrase is, blessing in disguise. Have you ever experienced a situation that initially seemed bad, but later turned out to be beneficial? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's explore this intriguing concept together and uncover how it can positively impact our understanding and perspective on unexpected life events. A blessing in disguise refers to a situation that appears to be bad or unfortunate at first, but eventually leads to something good or beneficial. It's like finding a hidden treasure in a place you least expect. The beauty of this phrase lies in its optimistic view on life's unpredictable moments. It teaches us to look beyond the immediate disappointment or difficulty, encouraging a hopeful outlook for the future. To better understand the phrase, let's break it down. Blessing. Something that brings well-being, happiness, or benefit. In disguise, hidden or not easily recognized. Combining these, a blessing in disguise is essentially a good thing that is not obvious or recognizable at first glance. It's a reminder that sometimes, what we initially perceive as negative can lead to positive outcomes with time and perspective. Let's bring this phrase to life with some relatable examples. Imagine losing a job, which feels devastating initially. However, this event pushes you to pursue a career you're truly passionate about, turning out to be a blessing in disguise. Missing a flight might seem like a disaster at the moment, but if that missed flight keeps you safe from an unforeseen issue or leads you to meet a new friend at the airport, it becomes a blessing in disguise. Using this phrase in your conversations can help convey optimism and resilience. Here's how. When sharing personal stories of unexpected good fortune following a challenge, to comfort or encourage someone who is facing difficulties, helping them see the potential for positive outcomes. And that wraps up our journey through understanding the phrase, blessing in disguise. Life is full of surprises, and this phrase beautifully captures the essence of finding hope and positivity in the midst of challenges. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you navigate through life's twists and turns with a more optimistic outlook. Remember, the next time you face a setback, it might just be a blessing in disguise. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.